How many times are you like me where you misplaced your wallet, misplaced your keys, heck, misplaced your bag, you're running late to school, you're running late to a shoot, got your kids in the car ready to go and you just can't find it? Well, Apple just recently released AirTags. This is the brand new device that's going to help you where you can put this, hook it up, tag it, and find your stuff. So let's just not get any further. Let's unbox this and let's take a look at it. So let's go. So what reason would you need an AirTag? Now, like me, I'm a photographer, and I'm always, on the go. If I'm out doing a shoot and all of a sudden, like, I put my bag down and I'm working with a subject and all of a sudden, or I put like gear down and all of a sudden, like, that stuff went missing, I would be out like thousands of dollars. It would be bad. So for me, figuring out a way to hide an AirTag or put an AirTag on my gear would give me a better idea of how to find my stuff, and potentially if that were to happen. As a parent or just as a person, I misplaced my wallet, I misplaced my keys. If I'm running late, I gotta get the kids to school, I'm looking for that stuff ASAP. So being able to use a tracker like this, just have it hung as a little attachment on my key ring or something like that is perfect. So whether you're a student or anybody like that, like, we're all forgetful. Hell, I would put one of these on my freaking remote if I could, because I lose that thing all the time. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and unbox this just for you guys right now. So I only bought the first one because honestly I wanted to test it. I'm not going to spend $100 on a device that I have not tested, so that's what I did. So I got the box open. You get all the wonderful, pamphlets, the legalese. We don't need that. And you get the AirTag. So in this AirTag, you can actually order them to personalize with like an emoji or your initials, something like that. In this case, I didn't. I just went straight with, just get the one. So it comes with a little instruction manual how to pair with your phone, and like that. It's like perfect little tile. That's actually pretty cool. So I'm going to show you real quick just how easy that is. So let's unpeel this bad boy. Now, a cool thing about the AirTags, they are user replaceable batteries. Ooh, made that cool sound. So that's cool. So when the battery is bad, it's supposed to last up to a year, I believe. And if it dies, you can replace it. So it's actually pretty cool. All right. So I got JujuB posted on Instagram. Look at that. It already detected the AirTag. So all I got to do is just do a little connection real quick and say what it's for. And just like that, it's pairing it. Takes a couple seconds. You're seeing this real time. Oh, there it is. It's done. Oh, it showed you totally a map of me. I wanted to hide that. So cool. It plays the sound and that's it. It's done. It's literally set up. That took what, like 30 seconds? I can play a sound, so watch. That's cool. I'm gonna stop it. So I could play a sound from it directly if I wanted to find it. And the cool thing about it is, look, I want to show you right now. Yeah. So here's the camera bag. It says it's nearby, and it's right here. Now, as I move it away, you can start seeing it show distance, like how far away it is. So it's really cool, like, when it's trying to find it, and my phone's vibrating like I'm close to it. So as it gets closer, my phone is vibrating, almost like playing like Marco Polo. How cool is that? And I can play the sound and stop it once I gotta try to find it. I think I want to make my kids hide this in this house, and I'm gonna try to find it. Come here, lovely assistant.
Okay.
This, I need you to hide it in this house. A little game of hide and seek.
Okay.
You can't tell me where it is. Don't put it somewhere where I can't read. Like I can't like super under the couch or something like that. But just put it somewhere in this house.
Okay.
In the house, not outside dug up. Okay? Thank you.
Definitely not outside.
Yes.
Interesting. Just what it said.
So I'm pulling it right now. It still says it's in this house. So it says it's 18 feet away. Let's go find it. It is now searching for it. So let's find it in this house. So the one thing it doesn't do is tell me if it says it's nearby. It's downstairs. So here's the one drawback. Being in a house, it doesn't tell me if it's upstairs or downstairs. So that's going to be an issue. What the heck? Let's listen to it. Ooh. Oh, there it is. There it is. I'm here. So you can buy accessories to lash this onto your bag or your keys from Apple. You could get some of their silicone bands, or you could buy something fancy like $495 from a Hemnes. I ain't buying that unless you're sponsored. You can more welcome to send it to me, but I ain't gonna buy that. This thing costs $29. Like, you know, you can hook it up to your wallet. You can hide it away in your camera bag, your GGB bag, whatever you want. And this little guy will help you find that stuff. I can tell you that I've already seen photographers recommend, like, you could get two. So right now, you can buy a 4-pack for $99 or a single pack for $29, which is good. That's a really good price, decent, especially when it's a user replaceable battery. You can pair right now currently up to 16 different AirTags to your account. So if you're someone like me, which have a photography bag, I would put maybe one, like I'd hide it in the bag itself and then maybe clip one on it. And the idea is, like I said, like if you have lost mode, if someone were to find this, it would tell them your name and your phone number so they could call you if they're actually a good person to want to notify you they found your stuff. Or B, you can actually hide it somewhere and track it in case someone were to steal your bag. Like the couple who was driving home and somebody broke into their car and literally stole the bag out of their car and drove away. That sucks horribly. So whether it's you're hooked up to your water bottle or to your keys or hell, the remote. Sorry, I almost dropped the F word. But because we all know we lose our remotes, especially nowadays, you can lose it anywhere. But it's totally a cool small little device that's gonna help you find your stuff. And honestly, I think it's cool. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you liked it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I do a bunch of different videos here. This is one of my first tech videos I'm doing. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. And if you like more or have questions, please leave it in the comment section below. Otherwise, give it a thumbs up. It does help the algorithm and people to find my page. Otherwise, this is Joe, and I've been with Matzo XL, and I'll catch you later. Look, I mean, it's the size of like a coin, like maybe a quarter. And a little bit bigger than a quarter.